How to view your YouTube comment history. Here, the first thing you should know that you cannot actually view your comment history directly from your YouTube application. So what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Right here, you need to move into the site youtube.com. It will land you on the official page of YouTube. Now tap on this three dot at the top right, and then click on Desktop Site. It will open up your YouTube on desktop site. Once you are in here, at the top left corner, tap on this three horizontal line. You will find the option of History. Head over to it. It will land you on this page. Right here you can see the option of Comments. Tap on it. There you go. In this page, it will show you all the comments that you have commented on YouTube. From here, scroll all the way down and you'll get to see more. So that's it, and this is simply how you can view your comment history on YouTube. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.